Good morning, my little ones. Today we are going to learn the sound A. For that, you need to open your book to page 21, and on the left corner of your book, you have to write the date, that is 6/4/20. Coming to the right side of your book, on the top corner, you have to write C.W. that is class work. Now let's get started with some enrichment activities. The first question is there. Read these words aloud. You can take help of your mother as well. Let's read the first word.
Mat. Fat.
I am so fat. Ha ha ha.
Fat. Pat.
I pat my dog.
Pat. Rat. Rat.
I love eating cheese.
Lad.
Lad means a boy.
Lad. Pad.
You can scribble on me.
Pad. Sad. Sad.
I am so sad.
Dad.
I love my dad.
Can.
Do you love golden can? I do.
Man. Pan. Pan. Ran. Ran.
Okay, children, so let's come to question number 2. It says, circle the correct words. The left side, you have got the pictures, and on the right, you have to find the matching word and then circle it. First one has been done for you, and the second one, let's do it. There is a car on the left, and you have to find the car on the right. Next one, there is a tap, and you have to circle the tap on the right. Similarly, let's come to the question number 3. It says, color the alphabet A in yellow and B in red. So you have to take 2 crayons, yellow and red, and then you have to color the alphabet A in yellow and B in red. Now enjoy your activity.